Can you actually learn a new skill in just 10 to 15 minutes a day? A lot of apps now claim exactly that. That you can learn a new language, math, a tech skill, AI tools, all in just 10 minutes a day. So I decided to actually test it. The platform is called Kodree, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether it's worth your time or not. Most people who try learning something new online, like coding, data, AI, whatever, they don't fail because they're not smart enough or because the material is too hard. They fail for two reasons. One, they feel like they don't have enough time. And two, the format works against them from the start. Lessons are long, there's way too much theory before you actually do anything, and it's just really easy to close the tab and never come back. And look, time is definitely part of the problem, but the format is the bigger issue. Because even people with plenty of free time still quit. That tells you something. So here's why 15 minutes a day normally doesn't work. Most platforms use that time for video content. You watch something, you feel like you learned, and then a week later you can't remember any of it. Watching is not the same as learning without actually doing something with that information, like applying it, making mistakes, getting feedback. It fades fast. There's no feedback loop, no sense of progress, nothing to show for it. 10 minutes of passive content is basically useless. 10 minutes of actually doing something, that's a different story entirely. So this is where Kodree comes in. The whole platform is built around a practice-first model, 80% hands-on tasks and 20% theory. And you feel that ratio immediately. You get a short explanation, then you're straight into an actual coding or data task in a built-in environment. You just open it and go. Now, something I found genuinely useful, Kodree has both a web version and a mobile app for iOS and Android. For more involved work, like going through a data set or designing something in Figma, you'd use the web version. But for smaller tasks, reviewing a concept, knocking out a practice problem, the app is perfect for that. So those 50 minutes you have waiting to pick someone up or on your commute or in line somewhere, those actually count as a real session. That's not always the case with other platforms. And if you get stuck, there's an AI assistant called Ask Luke. It doesn't hand you the answer, which I really love, but it gives you a hint, it explains what went wrong, and nudges you in the right direction. So you stay moving without just copying a solution. That's actually a smart design choice, because getting unblocked without being given the answer is exactly how you actually learn something. Something else worth mentioning that I didn't expect to care about, the gamification. Kodree has streaks, leaderboards, experience points. You know the kind of thing. And look, I'm usually the first person to roll my eyes at all that stuff, but here it actually makes sense because you're already completing a lot of small tasks in quick succession. And each one gives you that little hit of satisfaction. The streaks just make it more visible. It turns out that seeing your progress stack up day after day is a genuinely good motivator to open the app again tomorrow. It's not pressure, it's more like a nudge. And for short daily sessions specifically, that nudge matters a lot more than people give it credit for. In terms of what you can actually learn on the platform, Kodree has 6 career paths if you want a full structured program. Data analytics, UX UI design, Python developer, front end, full stack, and project management. Each one goes from 0 to job ready, with a roadmap, practice tasks, and a certificate when you finish. And if you don't want a full career path, there are 30 plus standalone courses, from more technical topics like SQL, machine learning, or vibe coding to broader areas like intro to AI, leadership development, agile practices, and career acceleration tips. So whether you want to pick up one specific skill or actually pivot careers, there's a path for that. I do want to be honest here. Learning for 15 minutes a day won't make you an AI expert or a data analyst in a week. That's not the point. What it does is build consistency. It keeps the friction low enough that you actually keep going. A lot of learning fails not because of a single hard session, but because people just stop showing up. Kodree is designed around the reality of how people actually live. Not the ideal, I'll block off 3 hours every Saturday scenario that never happens. And the structure makes it easy to build that habit, which is honestly the harder part. So, who is this actually for? Busy professionals with irregular schedules? Career switchers who want a manageable starting point that doesn't feel overwhelming? And beginners who've tried other platforms and bounced off them because everything felt like too much too soon. It's not ideal for advanced developers looking for deep dives, or for people who want to just watch content without doing much. If you're not willing to put in consistent effort, the format won't save you. But if you are, the platform gets out of your way and lets you just practice. So, can you actually learn tech skills in 15 minutes a day? Yes, but only if those 15 minutes are spent doing, not watching. That's the key thing. And Kodree is specifically built for that. The bite-sized lessons, the immediate tasks, the AI feedback, it all adds up to a learning experience that fits into real life. Links in the description if you want to check it out.